fell off of him because he wasn't
I'm not afraid of him.
Okay. Don't yell at me.
Ouch. I am not a sharpening post.
Isabel.
You deserve to be yelled at.
Huh?
You deserve to be yelled at.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Sit, settle. Give me my blanket.
So, if we wanted to go riding and not take him on the trail, is there another horse we could ride?
Yeah, I'm gonna go try the. I'm gonna get the rest of the horses. I just want to
Well,
know.
if she doesn't think he's ready, I would really not want to ride him on the trail until
No,
she
he's
thinks
been
he
on.
is.
He's been on several trail rides. It's
I
just,
know, but he's
I don't know what. We used to take him all the time.
With
but-
nimble children, like Heather, who doesn't worry about falling off.
Right.
I do worry about falling off because I don't want to get hurt.
I know he probably won't do anything, but he might spook randomly and then he could fall off.
Well, my horse still spooks, but I just don't want to get injured.
Mm.
You know what I mean?
Well, if you want, I can ride him. I'm not worried. I'm not.
Alright, then you ride him and I'll take pictures of you.
Well, you probably can take pictures of him when you're on the horse.
No fun.
Well, you're gonna be riding.
So what? You'll be right in front of me.
Oh, that's true.
I'll be beside me.
I don't care. Doesn't matter to me.
But I would like to ride him in the round pen if you think that's
Yeah.
safe.
I would ride him in the round pen. She's been riding him in
You
the
ride
round
him
pen.
first. You ride him first.
I'm gonna go
I
over.
would rather that you took him more on the trail before I ride him. Just because he's used to you and I'm totally different. Nobody else has rode him, have they?
Just me.
You've
Well,
rode
and
him?
Heather's rode him.
So how did he do for you?
I just rode him around him when we were first breaking him. He was fine.
Well, she's telling me all these accidents you guys have all the way down here, so I'm like getting kind of nuts now. Broken ribs.
Oh no, we were talking about over the years, you know.
Over the
Like,
years.
oh my God.
But you should have seen how the kids rode.
Oh yeah,
They were insane.
yes they were.
They
We-
were insane.
We have this pond near our house, and we were just laughing about it the other day when we were going by. The girls used to get lily pads and tuck them in the horses' bridles, and they'd be under little umbrellas running down the road.
Heather, last time she rode him, she was grabbing big vines off the trees and dragging it behind him. She'd be riding him by and she'd snatch a big branch and trail it behind him, and then she'd shake it over his head and then she'd trail it behind him, and he'd be like this, you know, it's this big long bush, and he's like, oh my God, and then he's like,
Doesn't need
okay.
his wolf teeth taken out.
Doesn't need his wolf teeth taken out.
Does he?
So how do you know that?
Right here in
They're
the
right here.
Let's see.
Yeah, let me get the
Can you
good
turn
one.
so I can see 'em? I've never even seen where they're at.
Yeah, they're right there. They're sharp and they're pointy.
So is that a big deal to take them out?
Nope.
Has he had a shot?
Yeah, when I had him in Marshall, I was going to take him up there and get it done, but I might have everybody come down here and do it. Haven't decided yet. What?
Yes. At least he doesn't run away.
I can tell you've been really working with him with all that, because he's doing great at that.
He's been actually on many trail rides. He's been up and down the trail the road many
I
times.
don't need a rider.
But, you know, like I said, that the last time that she took him out, just as she was stepping off, my mare stepped on one of them 2-liter bottles. You know,
Oh, was the other mare that was
Yeah.
that was him?
no, and anyway, it spooked him, and then she fell off. And then it took us an hour to catch him because he wouldn't come up to the trailhead because he was terrified. And so then it just set him back. And then, of course, after that, nobody worked with
Did
him.
that
and-
work with you, Amanda, if you keep him and ride him until October?
At least he mounts from either side.
Yeah, no, that's not from that side.
You're sure that he would, Tyler?
That's good though. You should
What if she
be able to do it from both sides.
Yeah, that's
I
fine.
never even cared about that.
That's a good idea though,
That's what they say, you should always be able to do both sides. I've never even tried it with my horse.
because if you're ever on a trail where you can't get off or get on from one side,
You get hurt.
or you get hurt, or like the day I couldn't get on Princess because my knees won't work.
Yeah, I have a horse for you to ride. That's no problem. If you don't mind riding riding the big horse. I could either put you on like easy going pokey horse, Xander, or I can put you on my paint nose. He's a little bit more of a horse. Instead of
I
riding
know how to
behind me.
ride and stuff. I just,
Huh?
I know how to ride.
You'll be
No.
fine on the paint nose.
I just don't want to ride a green horse. And I don't know anything about him besides
Yeah.
I've seen him twice.
Right.
You know what I mean? And I hate getting injured. It sucks.
Yeah, I know. Well, I wouldn't let you get injured.
Especially when I got to drive myself back from
Yeah.
Lebanon.
Does he look any different besides being taller? I didn't. The roaning's gone.
I love it. He wasn't roan when I saw him.
Oh well, he kind of roaned out. I think it was his winter hair.
So he said, "Hey, Bernie, okay, I'm just taking a picture." You said that he roaned out, but I thought he looked like a Clydesdale when I saw him. Remember, that was in January. It was dark.
Mhm.
I really like how he looks, and I think he's really young. Don't you?
Yeah, he is young.
I think he's gonna fill out a lot more.
Yeah, I think he's only about 4. I don't think he's very old. He's actually not bad, for his size. A lot of horses that are like 14 hand, 14 ones, they're kind of thin, frail looking. I don't think he is.
I think he's really nice. I like him a lot.
Yeah, it's a big difference when you try to do this with the saddlebred.
I don't know if my horse would do it.
It was pretty funny.
But I highly doubt if he would.
Oh man, it was pretty funny. He was blowing and snorting and
Puffing
oh my
around.
God, he was, it was pretty funny. Well, the Amish hooked him up to a buggy. They hooked him up to a plow.
How'd that go?
The
That'd be
first time they
awesome to
did
have
it.
him drive.
Yeah, well, they hooked him up, and then, well, if I'd have known that, I would have said, drive him. I just said, work with him. Get him out of his spookiness. Do anything and everything. They had him 2 weeks. I said, do everything in the world to him.
Does it cost a lot to keep him there, too?
It was $75 a week.
How much?
$75 a week.
Do you guys ever drive?
No. We thought about it. I was going to teach the saddlebred to do that, or we were going to teach the Friesian to do it, but there's no place here.
How about the Friesian? Is he here now?
He's over at the pasture. We'll see him today.
Did you get him gelded then?
Shall we?
Oh, because it was a stallion when
Yeah.
I saw it.
That's the first thing I did. He's a lot of weight. He's grown, too.
Is he young?
He's 4. 4 this year. Everything's 4 this year. Xander's 4, Gly's 4, Friesian's 4. He's young. He's either 4 or 5. Everything's young that we have. See if he'll step over the barrel. He can do it. There's a log to. Oh my God, he does not. They step over logs that are that high.
And they don't move.
Yeah, they don't move. That'll be the thing. First time he tips it and it rolls up from under him.
She's already rolled that barrel under him. Hold on.
Oh yeah, we saw that.
I'll probably never ride him in a swimming pool ever. I just teasing you.
Well, we were trying to find obstacles that would be scary.
Look at this awesome, big, huge round pen.
Don't you love it?
It's way bigger than normal.
Yeah.
Well, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Bigger than my girlfriend.
It's a lot bigger than mine.
I didn't think I ever needed one, but if I'm going to get a young horse, maybe I will.
It's a good idea to have a round pen. Thanks for controlling
Just-
how you work them in.
Just any of the
My
horses.
granddaughter, like, only 8, I have no place where I feel comfortable letting her be. Just even on my own horse, loose,
Yeah.
because I don't think she's strong enough to stop, and she's just little. Well, I like everything I'm seeing. Looks like you've done a lot with him with all that, for being spooky.
He's still a little jumpy, but
Well, he's young. That's the